Good morning. Children, till date we have learned about vowel A and vowel E. Today we will learn something new about vowel I. When you will open your literacy skill sheet book, page number 41, you will see this. Now, what is the sound of vowel I? Is E. 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 Right? But as I told you, all vowels ones are 2-3 different sounds. So sometimes I sounds I. Yes. Ice cream, ice, iron. तो फर्स्ट साउंड ऑफ आई क्या है? ई है. ईरन, ईसक्रीम, ईस, ऐसे बोल रहे हैं? नो, आई. सो हियर द आई साउंड्स आई. आई. बट इन सम वर्ड्स आई साउंड्स ई, जैसे इंक. Okay, so in 41 page you have can see there are two words, iron and ink, in tracing. So what you have to do, you have to trace those words, and while tracing you have to say iron, ink. After that you have to color the ice cream, whatever color you want to do ice cream color, your favorite ice cream, whatever one, whatever flavor you like it, you can color it. Okay, but don't use black or okay. Now come to the page number 51, sound of I. The sound of I is E. Ink, right? Igloo. Now today we will learn some 3-letter words. First, this column, B in bin. Repeat after me. B in bin, P in pin, W in win, F in fin. Okay. Now we will take another color. Now we will learn this. K it kit, F it fit, L it lit, S it sit. Take another color. F ig fig, P ig pig, D ig dig, B ig big. L ip lip, Z ip zip, H ip hip, T ip tip. Now take another color. B ib bib, N ib nib, R ib rib, Cr ib crib. Now in this word, C sound K, R sound R, K R ib, K R ib, crib. Okay, here the last word only 4-letter sound, 4-letter words. Now what you have to do, thus you are reading A and E vowel words, you have to write I words also regularly. Now trace the given word with similar sound. In the next line, here every, see here one letter is given and other are in trace, dotted line. You have to trace, but these are the same sound. Means first this letter sound it hid, so last sound is id. So all here, all the words here, last sounds will be id. You want to listen? So repeat after me. R id red, L id lid, B id bed. Now in this sound, D im dim. So all word here will be, last sound will be im. R im rim, S im sim, im him. Now come here. X mix. So all word will be X sound. End sound will be X. X fix. X six. P X pix. Now come to here. E ill, E l, ill. So ill, hill, b, ill, bill, w, ill, will. Yes, these are rhyming words actually, because you are not very much aware of rhyming words. Yes, same sound means rhyming words. Okay, same sound means we are talking about the end sound. Okay children, so these are rhyming words. So what you have to do, you have to first read these words very nicely, then these words, let me take a color, these words you have to read loudly, then you have to read this word, and by reading, read and write. How we will write, I am showing you. See, I have written. You have to trace, but while tracing you have to say the words. Okay children, now already you have done A and E, so you are very much aware how to do. So only you have to say and write. And how you have to say? R, it read, L, it lid, B, it bid, and repeat the words again and again. So if it is taking some time, obviously it will take some time to write, trace these letters. So while tracing, you repeat the words again and again. Okay children, till then, bye, take care.